Are you getting the most out of your vitamin C skincare? I'm a clinical esthetician and I'm going to be sharing my top tips and busting some myths about vitamin C. Vitamin C is a superstar for improving the look of dull skin, uneven skin tone, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and even lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C can be found in a range of skincare products from cleansers and serums to spot treatments and moisturizers. Vitamin C is actually an umbrella term for a whole category of ingredients, so it's really important to know what type of vitamin C is in your skincare. Those looking for a more advanced vitamin C experience might want to reach for ascorbic acid. Vitamin C beginners, those with sensitive skin or combination oily skin, might want to reach for a sodium isobutyryl phosphate and Kakadu plum serum. If you struggle with extra stubborn dark spots and hyperpigmentation, THD ascorbate might be right for you. I like to apply my vitamin C serum after I've cleansed and toned my skin and before my other skincare products. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, so it's very well suited for your daytime skincare routine. And it's important to note that your sunscreen can't block all of the free radicals that cause so much damage in our skin, and vitamin C is super supportive there. And yes, vitamin C does actually pair really well with other ingredients like hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. After you've applied your targeted vitamin C skincare, you can follow it up with your eye cream and a moisturizer. Vitamin C really is my skincare glow secret. What questions do you have about vitamin C skincare? Ask them below and like and follow for more skincare tips.